Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create a macro in Word. Friends, by the help of macro you can very easily record any action and can repeat it when required. In the current document, I just show you by recording a macro. Whenever you want to record a macro, you need to go to View tab. In View tab, you will find the option of macros. Here click on Record Macro. I am giving it a name Format and click on Keyboard. Now here you need to give a shortcut to your macro. Now I am pressing Ctrl, Shift and A key to give a shortcut to this new macro. Now here you can choose any other combination of keys to give a shortcut. Now click on Assign. Now whenever you press this shortcut on your keyboard, this macro will start running. Now press Close to start recording. Now as it is recording my macro, you can see tape icon on my mouse. Now friends, I have done some fixed changes which I normally do whenever I am writing a letter. So I have recorded a macro for that. Now we need to stop recording. For that we need to go to View and again go to Macros and click on Stop. Now friends, our macro is recorded and I just show you by using it. Now in my new document I will just press the shortcut key for my macro. Now friends, as you can see, it has automatically changed the font size and added the watermark to my document. Now I will start writing the letter. So friends, like this you can very easily record a macro and use it for different purposes. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.